thought I'd show everyone how to fix it. First thing, shut off the water supply. Turn the washer on its side with the back facing up. Okay, with the washer on its front, it's this thing right here. And you don't even need any tools to fix this. First off, unplug this electrical and this electrical back here. And there's a clip that you've got to rotate, and it's a little ear, a little white ear back there. You got to press that, and then you twist, and this unit, it pops out. Then we've got to clean it and lubricate it and stick it back in. It's like a 20-minute fix. You know, I said I did this about 6 months ago, but it was actually probably over a year. Okay, electrical's undone, and there's a clip you got to push, and this thing here, it just twist, and you pull it out. And we gotta clean it up. Okay, we've got the part, and then I'm going to use this carburetor cleaner. You probably use some other things. It's an alcohol base, so it evaporates pretty quick. And then I'm gonna use a spray lubricant for electrical items. You probably use WD-40. This is just what I've got on hand, and this is just what seems to work. And then I'm gonna be using an air compressor with a squirty nozzle. And actually, when you're using the air compressor, you get every hole, make this thing spin. Just clean the heck out of it with that air compressor. And I've only got two hands, one with the camera. And then you're going to use this carburetor cleaner, and you'll see where the motor spins against the armature. I'm thinking soon it's probably going to wear out. I'm sure the brushes are getting bad on this, but we can probably make it last another couple of years. But you get to use this carburetor cleaner and just spray the holy heck out of it, and then you're going to use an air compressor again to spray all that stuff out. And this is alcohol based, so it dries real quick. Don't worry about getting it all wet. This stuff dries quick, and we're going to be using the air compressor. Now take the air compressor and spin this thing real good and dry it out. Then when you've got it all dry, I'm going to be using this electrical cleaner. It's got a little bit of solvent, a little bit of oil, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to give it a good spray, and then dry it off with the compressor again. And that's it. Put it back in, and your screech is gone. This part's got some notches here, and you've got to line it up with the notches here, and then give it a twist, and this clippy thing here will latch on this, and it's tight. Then hook your electrical up, and that's it. I'm using one hand here. I'll see if I can show you. You got it stuck in there, and you just twist, and it locks in place. Runs quiet now, probably good for another year.